Two developers walk into a coffee shop. One orders the data in JSON, the other order in XML. The JSON developer finishes their coffee. The XML developer is still typing closing tags. Today, they are breaking down JSON versus XML, what they are, how they work, and why JSON has taken over the internet. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a lightweight data format that looks like simple text, easy to read, easy to write. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. It's older, uses tags like HTML, and is more verbose. It was the standard for data exchange before JSON came along. JSON uses key value pairs and arrays. It's built for simplicity. XML uses opening and closing tags with attributes. It's more descriptive but also more verbose. Here's a tip: if you hate counting curly braces, you hate counting XML closing tags even more. Most modern REST APIs retain JSON because it's faster to parse, smaller in size, and easy to work with in JavaScript, the language of the web. XML is still used in older systems, enterprise, software, banking APIs, and some RSS feeds. Think of JSON as a young, energetic athlete. XML is the experienced veteran, slower but still the light. JSON Pros: lightweight, human readable, easy to parse, native to JavaScript. JSON Cons: limited data types, no built-in comments. XML Pros: can store complex data, supports metadata, allows validation with XML schema. XML Cons: verbose, heavier, slower to parse. Here's why JSON wins for most APIs. File size and speed. The same data set in JSON is 3 KB. In XML, it's 5 KB. Over millions of requests. That's a lot of extra bandwidth. Parsing JSON is also faster because browsers can directly turn it into JavaScript objects. If you're building modern web or mobile apps, learn JSON first. It's everywhere. But don't ignore XML. You'll find it in APIs, OpenAIs, government, and enterprise systems. The best developers understand both. To recap, JSON is the lightweight, fast, modern data format. XML is older, more verbose, but still powerful. In our next episode, we'll talk about webhooks, APIs that call you back. Subscribe for more videos.